to Geek Summits. Today we have bought courses which are a cost of 30,000 per free, and the certification will be provided by National Skill Development Center in collaboration with ITM EduTech. So let's get started. The first course will be the Python Essentials. You can go through the portal with the link that is provided in the description, so you can go through it and you can enroll and avail the certification for free. So the first course is Python Essential. The Python it consists of weekday only classes and project based learning. Here you can see the cost is entirely free, which is cost of 29,999. It is availing for free. So you can go through the syllabus and you can also apply here simply by providing your name, and your email address. For free, and you click on start learning. Here you can receive a message, thanks for enrolling with us. You will occasionally receive email about new courses, meetups, community updates from Let's Upgrade, and you can also go through the syllabus. The format is a live instructor led format. Is the duration will be of 7 to 8 days, and the projects will be 2 projects. The batch will be starting on 1st September 2020, and there will be 7 to 10 assignments. And coming to the content, it will be 15 learning hours, which means 2 hours per day. It will be globally recognized certificate from ITM, Let's Upgrade, and NSDC, which is a National Skill Development Center, and a National Skill Development Center will be a government, and ITM EduTech is a big company in Mumbai. So they are collaborating and they are providing these courses. So by learning Python, you will be end up as a innovative thinker, and you can build your own project using Python and re-engineer your social and GitHub profiles with the project. So by building the projects, you can highlight them in your portfolio, so which will help you to grab a job very easily over the other competence. Here you can see the certificate. The certificate format will be like this. So it will be provided by National Skill Development Center in collaborating with ITM EduTech Private Limited, and here and after completing the course successfully, here you can see your name and certification program in Python Essentials, and there will be date of issue and certification number, which is authenticated. So coming to the curriculum, you can see here the basics of Python and Python's objects and data structures and methods and functions, and deep dive with Python fundamentals and errors and exception handling. So it covers from scratch to advanced. So let's go over the next course. The next course is AWS Cloud Computing Essential. It is also same. It is also providing 30,000 course for free. Here you can apply in the same manner as stated before. So it will be of the same format, and let's get over the syllabus. So the tools which you will learn with will be AWS Cloud. So coming to the curriculum, it will provide introduction to cloud computing and first steps into Amazon Web Services, and IAM, Identity and Access Management, and networking protocols, EC2, AWS storage, load balancing, DNS and content delivery, which covers monitoring, auditing and alerts, databases, serverless computing, security and compliance, AWS pricing and billing, and conclusion, which covers a whole program, like starting from basics of AWS to advanced concepts of AWS. So by enrolling here, you can grab a lot of knowledge, and the certification will also be provided for free. Next, coming to cybersecurity essential, which will be in the same pattern as that of before courses, and the assignments will be of 5, and the duration will be 15 hours, and the members will be members enrolled are 60,000 plus members. So you will get a globally recognized certificate from ITM, Let's Upgrade and NSDC. Coming to the curriculum, you can learn about the network concepts and security basics and VAPT and SOC analyst examinations and enterprise security with case studies. You can also learn about the case studies so that it will improve your knowledge over the cyber security, and it also provides a good hand over the others when you are applying for an interview with cyber security profile. The next course is blockchain. As blockchain is one of the trending technologies now, I recommend to go through this course from once, as it provides an immense amount of knowledge, and the coming future will be blockchain mostly. So coming to the curriculum, it covers origin and working of blockchain, and it will provide information about cryptocurrency and blockchain and Bitcoin platform, and introduction to Ethereum, which is a tool of blockchain, and prospects of blockchain, and basic solidity. It is also providing sample code, state variables, expression and control structures, function calls and error handling, and many more. The next course is JavaScript Essential. This is the most comprehensive and straightforward course. It has weekend only classes and project based learning. It will be of instructor led format, and it has 7 to 8 days and 7 to 10 assignments to be completed in order to avail a certification. So the certification will be provided from AI and ML from Let's Upgrade and ITM group of institutions and NSCC. So it will cover the basics to JavaScript and JavaScript fundamentals, code quality, object basics, data types, classes, and error handling. So that's all for now, guys. So if you like this video, please share and subscribe to our channel, so that we will be posting a lot of content about the certifications and courses in the coming days. So if you want to improve your career and productivity, be with us, guys. So we recommend you to subscribe to our channel, as you will gain a lot of knowledge and profit by subscribing. So we'll be posting about the updates of free certification courses which from a lot of big companies in the coming days. So if you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you, guys, for watching this video.